the IGCSE Fair 2020 and to history as one of the key subjects. The idea is, why should I choose history for IGCSE? What skills will I develop? Well, mainly research skills, how to handle and analyze data, how to organize all that information, and the ability to question how reliable that information is. So that will bring you also excellent communication and writing skill in order to construct a well-balanced argument, doing some problem solving and knowing how to select and deploy key evidence. So, yes, we are going to use some books, we are going to analyze some documentaries and films as well. Why? Because we work following active learning and student-centered approach as methodology. So we can see here a lot of emphasis in to the inquiry process. This is our main motto: to learn, students need to do something. So the idea is, well, yes, we are going to remember a little bit. We are going to try to understand all the material mainly in order to apply, to analyze those ideas and perspectives, to evaluate different kinds of sources, and finally to create a new product in order to show how much have you learned. So keep calm, choose IGCSE history. Yes. So what's the papers are about? The main paper, yes, is paper 1. This is our syllabus. We do option B, 20th century international relations since First World War, where we talk about the Treaty of Versailles and we discuss how fair was it, the success and failures of the League of Nations. Then we analyze why had international peace collapsed, and we have another Second World War. So that means causes of Second World War. Who was to blame for the Cold War, or the origins? What's going on with the main crisis, for example, Cuban Missile Crisis, Korea War, Vietnam War. How secure was the Soviet control in Eastern Europe? And finally, why did it collapse by 1899? For example, the fall of Berlin Wall. And finally, we move into another region, the Middle East, in order to see what was going on from the 70s to 2000. The paper are 2 hours in order to answer 3 set of questions: a short, a medium, and a large question, yes, on one of these 3 units. Yes, this is the design of all the different papers, so we are sitting for 3 of them. This paper 1 I have already mentioned. This paper 2, that it will work with sources, and it worth only 33% of your total mark. Yes, and the prescribed topic changes every session. And finally, the depth study. That means you are going to write an essay in 1 hour, and 2 possible topics. And our depth study is the United States, the booming 20s and the Great Depression in the 30s. Yes, just when the Second World War starts, and how they dealt with this impressive social and economic crisis. So we wait for you. Yes, history wants you. We will wait for you. Thank you, Miss Duke and myself. Have a nice day. Remember, we are waiting for you.